the suspects with the controls from their premises have been using their Wi-Fi medical equipment to cut my throat, cut my liver, cut my heart, cut it out, stop it, knowing those what else, cut my spinal cord, cut my brain, cut all my veins around my neck. My throat is just hanging on. They cut it, put it back, cut off, put it back, sewed it back. You name it, they've done it from that remote location. It's like surgery, using medical equipment through Wi-Fi for the private server. My brain is pumping my blood around at a very low rate, but just enough to survive. I was young and healthy, that's the reason why I'm still able to kick, but I just have to bring attention now to going to specialists privately to live. If I go to emergency, they won't believe me, and they have those MH records there that they've built up over time. Plus, the odds on this happening, someone trying to cut you up with Wi-Fi and medical doesn't happen. Try to explain it, doesn't work. I had to get scheduled, and then I sit there for a month or two, and then beg to the people that have the controls, please don't use it anymore, please don't use it anymore. They already caused 5. They've done more, but 5 really severe organ trauma that's pretty much nearly caused death. Barely surviving from it. I hope you got all that on audio. But they keep commenting, oh, we're not going to help you, I beg them, oh, please leave me alone, or please try to help me, or if something happens, like, sell it back again, or something like that, or turn on the pacemaker, or whatever they say that they have, or sew back my throat, or something like that, because they've cut it, but I try to then reply back to you to do this for me, just to let me live. I'll do this for you if you let me live, or something like that. Like, I keep trying to bargain, or try to ask, or please leave me alone, for instance, or whatever. I keep trying to live, and that's basically what anyone will do in this situation. It's very scary and a lot of pain. I'm just doing a video log just so if anything happens, just you've heard it from my mouth, and hopefully maybe bring me justice, or hopefully that this doesn't happen to anyone else, but hopefully this video or audio or whatever I've been able to tell or talk, acting as a witness for me if something happens to me, if I'm not able to be there. I'm trying to do my best every single day. Sometimes you have to wait, sometimes you're in a situation, I should be able to just go to hospital, or I need police officers to believe me, take my statement, take me to hospital, take out the equipment, patch up all the organs where they've caused me trauma.